You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. I know they look very similar, but they have a very different pronunciation and of course a different meaning. I'm guessing you already know what the meanings are, so let's focus on the pronunciation. The top word is son, like in the son of his father and mother. A girl, a man and a woman may have a son. Okay, so it's pronounced on. You know the word on, O-N, on. Just add an S at the beginning, son. That's easy, right? Son, on, son. The bottom word is a schwa sound. It's an sound. So, an. Add an S, sun. The sun rises in the morning, sun. Okay, so you have an sound as opposed to an sound. Son has an sound. Sun has an sound. Top word, the son, the son of his father. Bottom word, the beautiful sun. Son, sun, son, sun. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.